Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one, he is a... Correct. Number two, you are the player. Yeah, very good. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is a good guy. Bob is a good guy. Guy. A guy is a man. But if we say you guys, then it is men and women. A guy equals a man. But if we say you guys, it's men and women. Now we can make a flashcard for guy. Please make a card like this. Write guy up here in the top left corner. G-U-Y. Together with guys. Down here, P-E-O-1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 21 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Guy. Guys. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. You are the best player on our team. You are the best player on our team. The best. You are number one. No one is better than you. And we also say you play the best on our team. Here it describes play. So we have two ways to use it. Number one, be good, better than the best. Number two, to do something well, better than the best. Now we can make a flashcard for best. Please make a card like this. Write the best. We always use it with the. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here, the number 27 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Best. Game over. You did very well today. Bob is an intelligent guy. Very good. And number two, Jennifer is the best player on her team. And if you're high level, level 2 words. Number one, a tab. Yes, it could be the bill. It has a few meanings. Number two, to be very good, creative with an I. Good at creating things. And number three, to hand something out means to give one thing to many people. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.